What is up?
Woo!
Oh, Boog's making the dance moves. Welcome back to our studio. We are live in the studio today. Got a really exciting track for everyone, all our fans today. And
Don't look at me. I have to redo it.
we're not going to redo it. Fred is our studio manager. He helps us, as well as our good friend Taylor Ashman, who is going to be in our track today. We're really excited.
Guest performance.
This goes out to all our friends in Texas who are slaving away, selling pest control. So our hearts are with you, our friends. This one's for you. So, you ready, bro?
Yeah, let's
All right.
lay this down.
Let's do this, Hizzy. All right.
One. Oh.
Go.
One,
That's all you.
2, 3, 4. Dum 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 ba-da-dum. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum ba-da-dum bum bum.
Bum bum.
Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum bum bum. Ba-da-dum ba-da-dum bum bum.
Bum bum.
Ba-da-dum ba-da-dum bum bum bum.
Bum bum ba-da-dum bum bum bum.
Bum bum bum.
Bum bum bum.
Bum bum ba-da-dum.
Yeah.